English learner. Welcome back to another video lesson. Today we're going to tackle a topic that's important and interesting: ordinal numbers. Get ready to boost your English skills and enjoy the ride. Ordinal numbers are used to show the order or position of items in a sequence. For example, first, second, third, and so on. They tell us which item comes before or after others. Understanding ordinal numbers is key because they make it easier for you to tell the order or position of things clearly. Just imagine, when you're giving directions, describing someone's age, or planning an event, knowing ordinal numbers helps you do it smoothly and confidently. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 34th, 35th, 36th, 37th, 38th, 39th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100th. Check out our website for plenty of enjoyable exercises covering different vocabulary and grammar topics. www.petrevonenglish.com. Take care and see you next time.